Hey there, friends! Welcome back to our fun learning adventure. Today, we will explore something super interesting: wholes and parts. Everything around us can be looked at as a whole or a part of something. So, what exactly is a whole? A whole is something complete. All of it is there, with no pieces missing. If it's a whole, it means we have every part of it, just as it was made or grown. Let's dive into some examples to see if we can spot what makes an object a whole. By the end of this video, students will be able to describe what makes an object a whole or a part, and identify examples of each. They will also be able to recognize that a whole object has all its parts intact, regardless of its size, while a part means that some portion of the object is missing. Here's an apple. Is this a whole apple? Let's find out. This is a whole apple because I have all of it. There's no bite taken out, no slices missing. It's just as it came from the tree. Now, here's a carrot. Is this a whole carrot? What do you think makes it whole? This is a whole carrot because I have all of it. No pieces are missing. Nothing cut off. This carrot is just as it was picked from the garden. Who loves pizza? I do. Here's a whole pizza. How do we know it's whole? This pizza has all its slices. Nothing is missing. It's a whole pizza, fresh from the oven. Let's look at this watermelon. Is this a whole watermelon? What makes it a whole? This is a whole watermelon because it's uncut and has all of its parts. Nothing is missing. It's ready to be sliced for a refreshing treat. Up next, we're looking at a popsicle. Is this a whole popsicle? What makes it a whole? This is a whole popsicle because it's completely frozen, with no bites taken out of it. It's ready to cool you off on a hot day. Now we know that a whole object means we have all of it, just the way it's meant to be. But did you know wholes can also come in different sizes? Let's take a look. Here are carrots of different sizes. 1. What do you notice about them? There are big carrots and small carrots. 2. What's the same? They're all carrots and each one is complete. It has all its parts. 3. What's different? The sizes are different. We have both large and small carrots. 4. Is the small carrot a whole carrot? Yes. The small carrot is a whole carrot. How do we know? We know it's a whole carrot because it has all its parts. Even though it's small, nothing is missing. It is not cut into smaller pieces. It's a complete carrot. Look at these pizzas. Some are big and some are small. Are they whole? 1. What do you notice? There are pizzas of different sizes. 2. What's the same? They're all pizzas and each one is whole. 3. What's different? Some pizzas are larger and some are smaller. 4. Is the small pizza a whole pizza? Yes. The small pizza is a whole pizza. How do we know? Because none of the slices are missing, even though it's the smallest pizza. So, now we know that a whole can be big or small, but what happens when we're missing a piece? Let's look at some examples of objects that are not whole. Here's a carrot with a piece missing. Is this a whole carrot? Why or why not? This is not a whole carrot because I don't have all of it. Just a piece. Next is an apple with a bite taken out. Is this a whole apple? This is not a whole apple because part of it is missing. It's only part of the apple, not the whole. Next up, we have a pizza with some slices missing. Is this a whole pizza? This is not a whole pizza because it's missing some slices. It's only part of the pizza. And finally, we have a popsicle with a bite taken out. Is this a whole popsicle? This is not a whole popsicle because part of it has been eaten. We're left with just part of the popsicle. All right, friends, it's time for a quick quiz to test what we've learned about wholes and parts. First question, which image shows the whole watermelon? That's right. The whole watermelon is the one that's uncut, with all its parts still intact. Next question, does it matter that the whole watermelon is the smallest? No, it doesn't matter. Remember, a whole object can be any size, big or small. As long as nothing is missing, it's a whole. Great job. Here's our next question. Which image shows the cake that's not whole? Did you find it? The cake that's not whole has a slice missing, so we're only seeing part of the cake. Great job, everyone. Today we learned that a whole object has all its parts, whether it's big or small. But if even a small part is missing, we can't call it a whole anymore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more fun learning videos. See you next time!